Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to assemble this COVACURE hiking post. First of all, unfasten this Velcro strap around post. Grab the handle and let the post hang down naturally. Make sure that these two sections are aligned together. To get the top section to align, grab the bar that has the pool logo on it, put it down. Align it with the middle section below it. Now I'm gonna grab the bar and keep pulling it out until I hear a click. This may need some force, so don't worry about breaking it. Let's do it one more time. Pull out the bar until you hear a click. It means that this metal button here has pulled out properly. The next thing I'm gonna do is to adjust the pole for my own. To begin with, open this plastic adjustment lock right here. Then we can see that the top pieces of the pole is now adjustable. Then you should stand up straight. Move your hand up and down until you make sure your eyeball here is in the 90 degree. Mark your height. Close the adjustment lock once again and tighten the thumb screw as tight as you can. Open the adjustment lock once again and tighten the thumb screw 1 through 10. Then lock back the height adjustment bar into place. Now you can see that the pole is now properly locked into places and adjusted for my own height.